No doubt you've built the fastest customer service with BoldDesk. But that might not be the fastest just yet, unless you integrate your BoldDesk account with KrispCall. Automate repetitive tasks like updating contacts, manually tracking calls, and switching between apps for every call and SMS. Here's how to connect these powerful platforms step by step. Log in to your KrispCall account. Go to Settings, then to Integrations, search for BoldDesk, and click Connect. A pop-up will ask for your BoldDesk account details. To get it, head over to the BoldDesk dashboard. Now, click on the profile icon, then on View Profile and Settings. On this page, go to the API Keys tab and click on Create API Key. Add an identification name to your API key, then click Create. Next, copy the API key but complete the webhook configuration before heading back. For that, navigate to Settings, go to Webhooks, and click on Add Webhook. Then, enter the name as Web API, select Contacts as the module, created and updated as an event, and find this URL in the description to enter it on the destination URL. Further down, select the request type as Post, checkmark on Custom Header, add the identification name and the API key created earlier, select JSON as content type, select Body Content as default, set name, contact ID, phone, contact group, and email as payload, and finally click on the Add button now. Head back to KrispCall, paste the API key with other account details, and click Connect. After the integration connects successfully, easily customize data sync preferences in the settings. In General Settings, enable or disable sync options for contacts and notes. Then in Workflow Settings, select specific call and SMS activities to be synced as logs, whether in tickets or activities in BoldDesk. Next, in Connected Numbers, enter one or more numbers for making calls and SMS in KrispCall. Once the configuration is complete, start creating contacts or importing them using a CSV. Then head over to BoldDesk and find that the contacts are all synced without the need to repeat the task. Need to follow up on contacts? Easily do it with calls or SMS directly from BoldDesk, but be sure to install the KrispCall dialer extension on your browser first. Then, beside the number, click on the KrispCall icon and select the call option. The dialer opens instantly, so you can offer better service more quickly without switching to your phone. And during calls, easily make notes that sync to the destination as you've customized before, either in tickets or activities. Similarly, for sending SMS, after clicking on the KrispCall icon, choose the SMS option. On the dialer that opens, type your message and send it. All SMS conversations and call activities with recordings sync to the destination as decided prior. And missed calls? Voicemails sync as recording links, which you can find instantly in the logs, with time to understand the query and reach back instantly. Business moves faster when nothing breaks their flow. With BoldDesk integration in KrispCall, that gap simply disappears, making customer service and support truly fast, scalable, and effortless. Simplify every customer interaction. Visit KrispCall.com and set up integration today.